We'll guide you through how to charge your AirPods for any generation, and I'll also tell you some other important and useful information. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So firstly, to go and charge your AirPods, you need to go and charge the actual case itself. So go and grab your lightning cable like this and plug it in. And you'll know that it's charging because you're going to go and see a glowing red or orange light on the case, just like that. At the moment, you're charging the case and the AirPods. So to go and charge the actual AirPods themselves, they need to be in the case, but you can go and charge the case without the AirPods being in it. So I could be using the AirPods right now while charging the case. You can take advantage of wireless charging if you've got second generation and third generation AirPods, and also any AirPod Pros as well, to find out how much charge your AirPods case and AirPods themselves have. And also if they're charging again, all you need to do is grab your iPhone or iPad, open up the AirPods case like this, and then you may need to press the button on the back and you should see this menu here. And then as you can see, we can see that my AirPods have 100% charge and the case is 31%. We've then got that lightning logo which shows they're charging.